What's up, team? It's Friday, the 7th of February, and we are back to the screens again. And today, I thought I would be doing something a little bit different. Given that today we have NFP coming up, we are off the charts currently. So I said to myself, why not actually go through some of my clients' accounts, the ones that have been traded by the bot, by the system that I'm offering you, so that you guys can actually see the actual results and how much money can you possibly make out of this system, which currently I'm giving 3 months free access to. I get a lot of questions like, is this legit? Like, does this really make it? So today, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you a couple live accounts. I'm going to go through the website. Obviously, as you can already read on the front, who can get the Gekko bot for free. I mean, beginners or even traders with experience. Your background doesn't really matter. And obviously, the Gekko bot is only working for accounts with a minimum balance of 500 and $1,000 or more. Actually, you can put more. The more money on your account, the better, given that you're going to be getting more profit. So anyone who wants to earn a second income passively without doing anything can actually get access to the bot. So to those who are unable to fund their account, at least 500 or $1,000 minimum to start trading, unfortunately, you won't be able to use the Gecko bot. So to people who want to work hard and don't want to, unfortunately, you won't be using the Gecko bot. So one of the questions I mainly get is why trading with me? Obviously, I've been in the industry for quite a while now, and over time, over the last couple of years, which is like 5, 6 years now, I've managed to gather a lot of information and knowledge about the market. So everyone, as I mentioned on my previous videos, everyone portrays trading as something that is easy, as something that you just go in and you get rich quick, which is not the case. And most of the strategies also that you find online is the same strategy that is accessed with 90% of other traders, which makes them not that relevant anymore, given that you guys will be executing trade at the same price and point. Therefore, this is why you ask yourself a question like, why are they specifically targeting you? This is something that most of us as traders, we've asked ourselves, like, I feel like these guys are specifically targeting you, me, which is not the case because we have access to the same knowledge. Therefore, we end up executing trade at the same point in time. That's why most of the time trade goes against us because it's a business and there's someone on the other side of the screen providing liquidity, buying from you when you're selling and selling to you when you are buying. So this is how this business works. So we focus on developing a bot, a AI, right? Which basically takes the guesswork out of trading by doing what? By trading automatically for you, giving you consistent returns on a monthly basis. Can be 10%, sometimes even more, 50%, depending on the behavior of the market within that certain month or period of time, right? So here are some of the people that are actually using, and I would appreciate if some of you guys could go and drop some comments as well. Um, and they have really been benefiting from it. And pretty soon we will be updating the dashboard with the current clients, also the ones with their own personal review. So all of these guys have been the one using currently, and they've been benefiting from it. And they've made a lot of returns from it, as you can see already. Some of the profits as well here. So this is just the profit on my website. So the next thing what we're going to be doing is we're going to be accessing some of my client's account on the VPS so that you guys can just see the results. So this is something that I asked them personally. Given that I told them like I wanna share the result with the world and I wanna share what this system is actually doing so that other people may also be able to benefit from this. So obviously you get the free 3 months, and after the 3 months, you can choose whether you want to purchase it or not, which is entirely up to you, right? Be diving straight, and I'm going to be showing you a couple of accounts which I've already opened here. So I think we're going to start, okay, with this one. This is a new account, and on this specific one, it started about a week ago, and you can see already. Let me log in, and you can see already on this specific account. Um, let me see all history. You can see the guy started like a week ago, and he funded on his account 500, which is the minimum, and he already has $51 profit, which is good given that it's only been a week and a half or so. And the account is going to continue increasing, and he doesn't even have to waste any of his personal time, knowledge, or effort to be able to earn. So this guy is currently on my 3 months free trial. However, as soon as the 3 months free trial finishes, that's when you can choose if you want to purchase. And I can assure you that he will purchase given that he's satisfied with the results that he has been getting. So what we're going to do is now we're going to go to second account. On this specific account, we only have about 2 weeks as well. On this one, about 2 weeks. Actually, 3 weeks, yeah, 3 weeks now. Given that on this specific account, I did receive a couple messages from the specific client. As you can see, profit 202. You get the deposit over here, 1044, already profit 202. And for you guys to see how this account is performing, let me actually open my Telegram where I actually shared some of the results from this client as they texted me saying 3 weeks basically it's 16 days excluding weekends, and the TP has been 200 with a minimum deposit of only like $1,000, and you can see the TP as well. And as we go here back to the account, you can see the 200, and obviously you can see that it's a live account and it's actually active. It's just that I pause right now given that NFP is coming up, but it doesn't matter because the bot handles trade even if it's news day or not. So yeah, this is one of the other accounts. And then we're going to go to a much smaller account. As you can see, this on this specific account, the client also started with an amount of $500, uh, and we already have a profit of $169 and a complete balance of 669. And all of this has been done automatically without the need of their personal knowledge or effort, which is something that I always say to people: you need as much sources of income to be able to acquire wealth. Because if you're not investing in trading, if you're not investing in crypto and all of these things in today's uh society, what are you doing? Because you need to be out here also investing in these online platforms, given that it gives you chief freedom, and obviously you don't really require to be on a specific location to be able to benefit from these things. You can still earn whether you're somewhere, whether you're traveling, you can still earn. This is one of the main benefits, and one of my main goals when I created this system was that so that the people can actually benefit with that without the need of their personal knowledge. As you can see here, they're already making 10%, 20%, 15%, some of them even 30% of the account. So let us go to our other account as well. We have this one which is currently trading as well. This account has a little bit over two weeks and a half now. The person also started with the minimum balance, which was 500. As you can see, 500 deposit. He already has a profit of $100. As you can see, guys, this is something that is completely legit and that you can benefit from, and this can really be a second monthly income for you that you can earn from passively without worrying about anything. So yeah, now let us go to another account which I'm going to be sharing with you. So on this specific account out here, over here, hold on. Right, so on this specific account, as you can see, it's also a live account. As you can see, the deposit was 4,948. The person actually made so much profit that they ended up withdrawing 2,000 from it, and they still have a profit of 3,887 currently. So if we go here, you can see the account current balance is 6,836. So from the deposit of 4,950, let's just say, yeah, 4,950, to be able to make 3,887, not to mention the 2,000 that this client has already removed. So we could say that this client was already around 7, 8, $9,000 already from a deposit of only 4,948 to 9,000, and they even managed to withdraw from it. As you can see, it's a live account, everything is written there. This is how much you can make. How much is that? This is how much you can make through this system, and this is how much it can be beneficial. You can even just make a second source of income that can help you fund your thing and even get something that you have been saving to get for a while. So instead of just saving your money and keeping it stagnant in a place, this is something that we created, that we put our time and our effort and our knowledge. This is revolutionary. This is something that you can benefit from and you can start earning from passively, starting from the next few minutes from now. Actually, it depends. It's just a matter of a decision, guys. Just a matter of a decision so that you can benefit from this. Okay, guys. So what I'm going to be doing again is, this is another account, but this is a very new account. So the account, since it's new, the profit so far is 33. Probably started today. So this is something you have to check as well. And now I'm going to be showing you one of my other clients' account. On this specific client's account, he deposited about $10,000. So from $10,000, you can see he already has 6,400 profit. Guys, name one bank that can give you this type of profits in a yearly base just for keeping your 10,000 there. And this has been achieved in a matter of a couple months. Name one bank and I'll listen to you. See, so this is something that is completely revolutionary. Nobody is actually doing this. For some people, they may say it's not much return on a monthly basis, but this is something that's more of a long-term investment that allows you to earn on a long-term perspective and build a second monthly income passively. So as time goes, your account grow, the profits also grow, and you can even set up other multiple accounts. And obviously, as I mentioned, I do give you the 3 months free access. So after 3 months free access, you can choose to buy lifetime access for like about 499 euros. You can get lifetime access. As you can see, this is like now on 16,405 euro. It's currently trading as we speak. And all of these clients have been benefiting from my system for years now. And obviously, my goal right now is to grow, given that we haven't even grown a name for ourselves. We haven't even built a name for ourselves like that. So my goal right now is to do that, which is why the 3 months free access is only going to be limited. So in the couple next months, we're definitely going to end the 3 months access. So for all those who are trying to get the system, you can hit me up on the description below. I'm going to leave my info. You can get the 3 months free access so that you can test the system's performance yourself, so that I walk you through the process of installing and everything. And you can stress this, you can test the system's performance, and then you'll be the judge of it. And obviously, if you like, you'd recommend to your friends and purchase the system. So this is it, guys, for today's episode. I wanted to make it quick and as brief as I could. So I hope you guys understood how the system works. Obviously, you don't have to do anything or possess any knowledge to be able to benefit from this. And as long as you have the capital, you can get started right now. So for all of those of you guys who want to get started, I'm still giving the 3 months free access, but only for a few more months. You can hit me up. All my social platforms are below, and I'll walk you guys through the process. Okay, catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and obviously share with friends as well, so we can grow our community. Thank you, guys.